Hey folks, I'm gonna just check in real quick. So I went back to the gym and started to bench. This is the first time benching in a long time. So I just put 250s on. So it's like 145 pounds. This is my third set. I started with a bar for like 15 reps. Then I did this same weight for about 12 to 15. So this is my third set right here because I've been doing my cable machine, my calisthenics and everything, and I wanted to touch the weight, the Olympic plates on the bench to see how it felt. Okay, felt pretty nice. So this is gonna be the fourth set. Same deal. Maybe change the grip spacing a little bit, but the same deal. Did not feel heavy. I think what I'm gonna do is add maybe 20 pounds, 20 to 40 for my last set. Each time I bench, I'm gonna try to start doing it twice a week to get back into the swing of things. I just want to share this with you because you gotta break it in slow. Don't weight trip. Don't worry about how much you're lifting. Just get your body used to the weight and everything and see how you feel. Because I am not going fast. I'm gonna try to, like I said, add a little bit each workout. Try to bench twice a week and take it from there. So that way you don't injure yourself. I'm gonna still try to do my legs and my back, but I just want to share this with you because this is kind of like the breaking in process to transition into feeling the weight, have your body under that weight. And like I said, it felt fairly good. So it's a light bench workout. I just want to share this with you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.